Introducing the massage gun, the ultimate tool for athletes and anyone seeking relief from muscle tension and pain. This handheld electric deep tissue massager offers powerful percussion therapy with 30 adjustable speed levels, allowing you to customize the intensity to your needs. Equipped with 9 interchangeable heads, it targets different muscle groups, providing a comprehensive massage experience from head to toe. Whether you're recovering after a workout, easing back pain, or simply relaxing. Introducing She's Birdie, the original personal safety alarm designed specifically for women by women. This compact and stylish device features a loud siren and a strobe light, instantly alerting others in case of an emergency. With a sleek keychain design, it's easy to carry and access when you need it most. Available in a variety of colors, including aqua, She's Birdie is both functional and fashionable. Whether you're walking alone at night, jogging, or just want some extra peace of mind, T. Introducing the Birdie electric candle lighter, a stylish and practical gift perfect for Mother's Day, birthdays, or any special occasion. This sleek lighter in elegant rose gold is designed for safety and convenience, featuring a rechargeable USB design and an arc flameless ignition, making it ideal for lighting candles, BBQs, and more. Its long, flexible neck allows you to reach deep into jars or tight spaces, and the windproof arc ensures reliable performance even outdoors. Weather for your M. Introducing the IcyMe Ice Roller and Gua Sha Facial Tool Set, the perfect duo for your skincare routine. This set is designed to reduce puffiness, soothe irritated skin, and relieve migraines, providing a refreshing and revitalizing experience. The ice roller cools and calms your face, while the Gua Sha tool promotes circulation and helps sculpt your features. Both tools are easy to use and ideal for daily self-care. With its elegant pink design, this set makes a thoughtful gift for women. Introducing the Zuli Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother Wand, the ultimate tool for creating barista-quality drinks at home. This ultra-fast handheld drink mixer is perfect for frothing milk for your coffee, lattes, cappuccinos, fraps, matcha, hot chocolate, and more. The Milk Boss in sleek black delivers rich, creamy foam in seconds, elevating your homemade beverages to a professional level. Its powerful motor and durable design make it easy to use and clean, ensuring a smooth